Hello everyone and welcome back again to the CRM Carpenter tutorial series. And today we will add something that we can help you visualize your sales report or any report from your Zoho Analytics to be displayed here in your actual Zoho CRM homepage. So to begin that, let's go jump into your Zoho Analytics and select the dashboard you want to add up in your Zoho CRM screen. So right here you can see all those charts and graphs that you have in your dashboard. So to begin sharing that in your Zoho CRM, just click here the share button and click the URL permalink. And in this section you will be asked the permission you want to save. So drop down here. So for today in our case we will choose this access with organization and select it as public on the web. So if we're going to copy this, we will copy this link, and if we was go back in our CRM, click the setup, the gear icon for settings, and under the developer hub, we will add it as a new widget. So it was like embedding your sales reporting analytics uh, down here in our CRM. So click create new widget, and let's name as sales dashboard. Select the type as homepage dashboard and the hosting as external, and paste here the URL link and click save. So if we're going back to our home, you can add it in here from one of your existing uh, dashboard tables by clicking here the three dot icon button and click the add component. So select here from the widgets and select and add here the sales dashboard. You can just drag and drop here, and you can see that we have just added your sales dashboard from your Zoho Analytics to your existing homepage dashboard. So just click save, and there you have it. And what if we want it as a whole new dashboard for your homepage? So to make it happen, we're going back to our settings and click the customize homepage, and let's create a new homepage. Just click the button create homepage, and from the widgets we will just select the sales dashboard in here, and you can stretch it out for a more bigger area until we reach the maximum. And let's provide the name sales dashboard. Let's save and share. Okay, let's test it out. Let's go to our home page and select the sales dashboard, and that's it. That is the easiest way for embedding your Zoho Analytics dashboard in your Zoho CRM homepage dashboard. Thank you for watching this video, and hope we hope that this video guide you and help you in so many good ways. Thank you for watching, and hang on for more videos that could be helpful for you in your CRM journey. Thank you.